Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be my birthday makeup. I turned 25 in January and I had a really great time. The makeup that I did, it's kind of hard to describe, but it's kind of like a mauve purple shimmer look. I had a really cute highlight, really cute eye going on. I cut my hair, dyed it red. Y'all see I was looking good. I'm going to start with my Oil and Shine Control Primer from SmashBox. Y'all know that's one of my favorites. Sometimes I pair it with another mattifying primer, but this time I just used just this one. Next, I'm using my Kat Von D Brow Pomade in the shade Walnut. It's my favorite brow pomade. I really haven't had any reason to try another brow pomade. I like to brush my brows upward with a spoolie. I take an angled brush and dip it into the product and line the bottom of my brow. I fill in the front of my brow and then shade in the rest. I also like to brush the front of my brow to kind of give it that fade in kind of look. I don't know. I like that trend. I think it looks good for me. It's something I'm actually still working on perfecting, but boom. Brows done. Beautiful. Sometimes I use a little brow gel too. I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Butterscotch to clean up and sharpen the bottom of my brow. I like to use another angled brush to really make that bottom edge of my brows super crisp. And then I take that concealer and drag it down onto my eyelid to prime my lids for my eyeshadow. I'm also using the Anastasia eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes because I'm using brighter colors, and this Anastasia base is going to help those pop against my skin. Y'all know I love to use my Jackie Aina palette. So first I'm going to go in with the shade Ginger as my transition color. Then I'm going to go in with Supreme in the front of the crease. I'm going to use what is this? Pinker. I'm going to use Pinker to start to create a gradient. Let me get my words together. And then I'm going to use Big Wig to start to deepen up my eye, and then of course Credit at the end just to create a light to deep gradient across my eye. Y'all know I love to do that. And then I'm going to go across the actual lid with Lituation because turning 25 is no small feat, alright? It's a big deal. It's a party. We're going to celebrate. Lituation. It just makes sense, you know? Makes sense. Makes dollars. Makes millions. So I could have done like a more dramatic cut crease and done like Big Wig all across my lid and then cut the crease with the Anastasia primer and then put Lituation on top, but I didn't. I made this look a little bit softer and just layered Lituation across my lid kind of on top of the other colors, but you know, it's okay. It still looked good. And then I went and put Dwollas on top, like in the center, just to kind of make it pop. And then y'all know how I am with black eyeshadow. I'm very careful. I just tap my brush in a couple times, and then I just tap it wherever I want to place it, and I just wanted to use it to deepen up my eye a little bit. So I'm going to use a tattoo eyeliner from Kat Von D to line my eyes, probably because I ran out of the Urban Decay, what is it, the new eyeliner. I cannot remember what it's called, but I definitely ran out of that one, and that one's my favorite eyeliner. The one from Urban Decay. What is it? The new liquid eyeliner from Urban Decay. I cannot remember what it's called, and I already threw the two away, but I'm gonna figure out what it is, and I'm probably gonna have to get a new one. But as for right now, we're being real delicate with this tattoo eyeliner from Kat Von D. This one used to be my go-to, and then I think I ran out and just tried a new one. I don't know, but that's the one I'm using today. Real careful. I like to start from the middle of my eye on my right eye and then make my wing, then go back into the corner to draw it out. And then on my left eye, I draw my wing first, move to the middle, and then move to the inner corner. Just so that, I don't know why I do that, but that's what I do, and it works for me. I'm going in with Trust Issues to highlight my inner corner, just to, you know, make my wide eyes a little bit wider. And I'm using an NYX pencil or NYX, I don't know. I just say NYX. A bright green pencil to line the bottom of my eyes, just to make them pop. Ooh. Ooh. Look at her. Look at her. Ooh. Alright, let's get it back together. So I'm going to do mascara. I like using the NARS Climax mascara because it really separates my lashes. Sometimes I'll pair it with a thickening mascara beforehand and then put the NARS on top to separate it. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. What color is it, girl? What color is it? Girl, I don't know either, but it's the Makeup Revolution foundation. I think it's in the shade C15. I'm going to use a dense flat brush to blend that out across my face. And you will see in, oh, look at how smooth that is. Love the finish. Very natural finish. I am using my same Huda Beauty concealer for my under eye. I blend it out with a super teeny tiny beauty blender. Just because I like the finish. It helps, to me, it helps smooth everything out. Like, it immediately looks super smooth. And I'm using my Fenty powder in the shade, I can't remember, but I will put it in the description box. And I only use a teeny tiny bit, like a teeny tiny bit. And I just pat that right over where I put the concealer. I concentrate it there first, and then I blend it across the rest of my face. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, and I'm sure y'all are like, bronzer? Girl, you already... Just kidding. But I like to use my bronzer kind of as a blush because the Mocha Mami shade is very, very, very red. And so I take that from the tip of my ear down towards my mouth and blend it upwards, and I dust some across my nose. Alright, so it's time for the percolator. Just kidding. Y'all saw me use setting spray on my brush. I use that to get a little bit more shimmer and shine out of any shimmery product. So that goes for highlights, that goes for eyeshadows, anything with some shimmer and shine on it. I'm going to spray my brush first. And I'm prepping my lashes now. I'm not going to put them on right now, but I'm putting the glue on my lashes so that when I'm ready to put the lashes on, then the glue will be tacky already. While I wait for the glue to dry, I'm going to go ahead onto my lips. I'm going to prime them with the Anastasia Lip Primer and then use the Sephora Collection Lip Pencil in the shade Mollasses. That's my go-to, and I like to pair it with any and everything. I'm going to pair it today with a liquid lipstick in the shade 40. It's kind of like a nude leaning towards lavender shade. A lot of times I get questions on how do I apply lashes. I look down. That's basically it. I hold a mirror. Oop, girl, we both messed up. I hold a mirror below my eye so that I can look down into it and apply the lash on top of my lash line as closely to my lashes as possible. back in with my lip liner to thicken the lip liner and blend the liquid lipstick down a little bit more. And then you pull your finger through your lips so that you can get rid of that inner line that kind of cakes up. Now I'm putting the honey gloss on top of my lip masterpiece. Just add a little bit of shine. I feel like lip gloss really makes a look pop. It's lashes and lip gloss. That's what really makes your I can't get my words together. Lashes and lip gloss are what makes your lips pop. Ooh, is that a tongue twister? Lashes and lip gloss are what makes your lip... Help me. But this is the finished product. Look. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Ooh. Girl. You look good. Yes, girl. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As much fun as I had creating the look, doing the voiceover, creating this entire product. I hope that you guys enjoy it and learned something from it too. Bye.